Hello, in this video, we'll show you how to force applications to open on your primary monitor on Windows 11. So it's an extremely easy process. What you have to do is open your Start menu and just search for Display, then open Display Settings. After that, make sure that both of your monitors are connected, as you can see right over here. Now just let me scroll down and you should see an option called Multiple Displays. Click on this drop-down menu and over here make sure to choose your primary display. As you can see, this display is my primary as it is highlighted. And let's say, for example, if I choose my second display over here, you can see I can make this display as my primary. Now, the moment we make a primary display, all the applications that you will open on your primary display. So let's say, for example, if I open Google Chrome over here, you will notice that it is opening on a primary monitor. So if I made the second monitor my primary monitor, as you can see, all the icons that I had previously on my main monitor now switch to the second monitor. And again, if I open Google Chrome, that will open on the secondary monitor, as you can see right over here. That's it, and if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.